Hey, good afternoon. This is Tim at JH Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. I can be reached by phone or text at 815-718-9288. Hey, this is a really nice little car. It's kind of buried in the back. I apologize for that. But it's our 2003 Chevy Malibu in red fire metallic. It has a 3.1 liter V6. New tires, new front brakes, new front rotors, air filter, fuel filter, new windshield wipers, lube oil filter. Been through our full safety inspection. AM/FM radio with CD, has the console shifter, tilt steering wheel, front defrost, rear defrost, AC. Really, really nice little car. One owner, only 75,000 miles. I don't think anybody's ever sat in this back seat. Again, my name is Tim with JH Barkau & Sons in Cedarville, 815-718-9288. And this is our 2003 Chevy Malibu 4-door sedan in red fire metallic. Was 54, 52. Car's been fully reconditioned and ready to go. Look forward to hearing from you soon.